Good morning. Are we live? I think we are. Hope we are. Let me get my mic closer to me. Make sure everything's plugged in. Good morning. What is today? September 9th. September 9th of 2020. September 9th of 2020. My little book says here, be mindful of your appearance. While it's not fair or right, people will still judge you first by the way you look. Damn, I'm in for a bad run because I'm an ugly motherfucker. Just kidding. I don't know. I have my bad days and my good days just like everybody else, I guess. So welcome to the Legal Pimp Trading Channel. For those of you who are first-time viewers, do not follow my trades because sometimes I do some stupid shit. But you can if you want. It doesn't matter to me either way. I'm trading my own account and I'm going to do what I do. Welcome, guys. Let me see here. So let's talk about the watch list. For me, I mean, right now I'm watching TRIL. It's a gapper. Gapped up yesterday after hours on news of they got a investor from Pfizer. I shorted this morning into this parabolic move at 14. I covered some of it in the low 13s, and then it bounced a little bit. I added some back here at 345, and then when it wasn't breaking down past 13, I covered the rest in the low 13s. So now it's looking like a long right now. So I'm thinking this thing might squeeze right at the open. My buddy Henry's still long, I think, from... Fuck, I don't know what he's long from. Good morning, Bison. Good morning, Matt. Matt, you owe me 10 fucking burpees, bro. Okay? I want them via Snapchat. Okay, I want to see it. I want to see it, please. Have your kids do it with you. Have your boys do it with you. See if you can keep up with them. I bet you they're in some good shape. At like, what are they, 10 and 12? Something like that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm watching TRIL. Right now it's looking like a long. It looks like it wants to go higher. It's funny, I was trading this stock when my son was being born back in January. Where was it? Yeah, back here. You see this little squeeze right here? Yeah, so I was buying this into this squeeze. My son was born on the 24th. I was trading it from the hospital. Well, my wife was in labor. Isn't that funny? And now this thing came from 24 cents and now it's up at 14. So higher the better. Right? That's the motto. Yesterday I actually took a long-term position on Tesla at $3 or $300. TSLA. Yeah, I took a long-term position on Tesla at $3 or $340 is what I got it at. And I'm planning on averaging down. So the lower it goes, the more I'm going to buy. I'm going to keep buying up some. I think I'm going to put maybe like 10,000 into Tesla. I think I'm going to buy up some Apple too. And this is my long-term account. So I'm going to buy it in my IRA account. Me and my business partner, we agreed to take some of our cash from our business and put it into Tesla. So yeah, I'm probably going to buy up some more. Is it? It's at 356 now. It's gapping up. So I may not get an opportunity to average down. I may have to average up. So TRIL, watching that one. I guess I should put it on the little checklist here. TRIL. What else are we watching? The last few days since last week, I've been trading KCAC and GoGo. But now, when I look at this daily chart with KCAC, I mean, it's gapping up with the SPY right now. Thinkorswim lagging already. That sucks. So right now, I had the run. This is a SPAC. So it's in the EV sector. Ran up a couple days and it's pulled back. I don't know what it's gonna do right now, so I'm out completely. I caught the way up. I bought it on the way up. I shorted it on this pullback, and then now I'm just kind of made pretty good money on it the last. Oh, there's Henry. Hello?
What's up?
Henry, where the hell you been at, man?
I was outside smoking a cigarette.
Oh. You know we go live at 8:10. Come on, bro. Come on, little snicker.
Whatever.
Whatevs.
I've been up since 5:30.
What have you been doing since 5:30?
Making money.
Making money on that TRIL?
No.
Where are you long from?
1260.
1260. He bought the dip and he sold some into the rip. It's funny, he sold at 14 and I was shorting at 14. And we didn't even alert each other.
Well, I alerted you that I bought TRIL.
I didn't see it. I was doing my morning meditation. Okay?
AMPE just popped up. AMPE just popped up. They just put out news 2 minutes ago.
AMPE. Ooh, wow. $1.
I don't like the daily on it. Looks like I bought it back in June.
Ew.
Let's see what it does. 90 cents.
Yeah, that daily looks nasty.
I know, but I love these plays when they take $1. You know me. I like it. Like I'll buy it at $1 and rest 90, and then see if it goes to $1.50. So we'll see. Putting it on one of my 35 charts here. You didn't reply to my sleep of my new setup.
I know. I seen it. Henry got a new monitor set up. He's got these two giant ass screens.
One's 47-inch TV, the other one's 40-inch TV, and then I got a 24-inch monitor and then a 18-inch laptop.
He's got a lot of freaking charts up. Like I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got 15 charts up. And how many you got?
12, 24, 36, 40. Jesus
Christ. I thought I had a lot. And I feel like I got more than I need, but yeah, man, Henry.
I haven't broke up. I got one of my screens. I keep my FDA approval ones just up there all time so I can see how they're moving every day, and I got a system.
Just watching the price action. Another one that I've been watching the last few days, or I made pretty good money on, was GoGo. Go. Now, I don't know what it's going to do. It's pulling back on the daily, so I don't know if it's going to consolidate and go sideways a little bit and then squeeze out and break out, or if it's going to continue down. So I don't know whether it's going to go up or down yet. I'm just going to leave it alone. I was short yesterday from like the high 9s, but I covered when it didn't get down past 9. You know what? Workhorse looking fucking awesome. Look at Workhorse. Yesterday is a breakout on the daily. So what is it gapping up or gapping down? It's gapping up with the market. I tried long in Workhorse yesterday on this pullback at VWAP, but then when it didn't hold VWAP, I got the hell out. I was 0 for 3 on longs yesterday. Every time well, the market got its ass kicked yesterday too. So I was 0 for 3 on my longs, and I was like 3 for 3 on shorts, but I cut all my longs really quick, and then my shorts I let run a little bit more. So I ended up making about 1,500 yesterday. Who's all in the chat? If you guys are in there and you're listening, post something in the chat. Say hi. Say hi. Henry's long NLS. 15? What are you doing trading a $15 stock, Henry?
Dabbling.
He's dabbling. When Henry has a kid, he's going to name it Dabble.
Yep.
Man, I'll tell you what. I'm in notes, other than in my long-term account that I'm holding Tesla, other than in my day trading account, I have no positions. And I don't really see, there's nothing I'm that excited about, because I don't know whether GoGo is going to go up or down. I don't know if KCAC is going to go up or down. Oh, this one. TCON. Look at this one. Multi-day runner. Pretty shitty volume, though. Look at that. Multi-day runner. So, I'm hoping this thing keeps squeezing. I want to short it now, but I'm not going to. I think it's going to go higher. This thing squeezes out, I'm going to short into any parabolic move towards 5. Some higher price stuff. Look at graph. Jeez. Look at that. That one's squeezing out pretty hard. But that's getting too... I don't like to trade stocks usually past $30. I can't take enough size. SHLL. This thing gets bought up left and right. Looks like it's going to roll over, but I'm not going to touch it. Let's see what else. Oh, here. Something to keep on watch. For sure. Please, I pray. Okay, VVPR. Look at it. Okay, hopefully we get a crash down to like 7. Hopefully this thing sells off today. If this thing sells off down to 7, I'm a buyer. I don't know if it's going to get down there, though. It may get bought up. Here at 10. Here at $10. It's kind of gapping up with everything else this morning. KCAC looks like it's going to go. It's going. Everything's gapping up, man. Doesn't surprise me, though. I mean, the market sold off the last few days. So everybody's ready to rally back, aren't they?
Yeah.
Aren't they, Henry?
Did you see Cohen?
COHN.
Yeah, missed that one. You missed that number 5 dip by.
Cohen. Nah, don't like it.
I thought you'd like it for a short.
No, not yet. It's going up, man. No, I don't like it for a short at all right now. Maybe I should. No. Want a parabolic move. Alice, you're there. I was wondering. Hope you had a good vacation. TCON is interesting. I agree. Hopefully it keeps going up. NWGI, low floater with news, could be a good long if it can hold 2. Let's look at that one.
Yeah, Bison, I'm hoping. So I bought it initially at this morning at, well, it didn't open till 7. I bought it at, looks like 7:05 a.m. I sold in that push at about 7:20, sold at 2. And then I actually added back some more at $1.90 when it's consolidating now. So we'll see.
God, what a... Okay, first of all, NWGI just has a horrific daily chart, but that's okay. Volume can trumps everything. Volume and price action. It's gapping up. All right. All right. It's gapping up. See if it can get over 2. What is the float on this? NWGI. 5 million. So relatively low float. All we need is volume. I'm going to throw it up over here in a side chart. NWGI. Alright, got it up on a side chart. Thank you, Bison. Golly, Henry. I'm amazed at how much shit you can find to trade. Long IBIO, long NLS, long MYT. I'm not judging you, Henry. It trips me out. To each their own. There's no right or wrong way to do any of this shit. Well, the wrong way is whenever you're losing your ass and you're not making any money. But sometimes that's a learning curve. Oh, also, completely off topic, not trading related. Who's going to win the NBA playoffs? Does anybody know that? Can someone tell me who's going to win the NBA? Who do I put a bet on? Somebody tell me who to put a bet on right now, because I need to fucking go. I want to put a bet in. I want to root for somebody.
I don't follow basketball, so I don't know.
I don't really follow basketball either until the playoffs, and then I like all sports though. I'm a sports junkie. Okay. So yeah, my top watch is probably Trill.
And a degenerate.
Well, that's why I like sports, so I can bet on it. Okay. I haven't been playing much poker lately though, because I don't have any fucking time.
You should have another kid.
Oh, fuck that.
I seen that snap you did the other day, and I'm like, oh, what did I reply? When they were under the table screaming and yelling, I'm like...
I love my kids. I'll gladly take a bullet for them, but 2 is plenty. I cannot add another one on the mix, man. It's like, man. You know what?
Screaming under the table, and I'm like, oh my God, that sounds horrific.
You know what? I miss COVID so much. That little 3-month siesta that we got to take. Oh, that was great. I loved it. Where all I did was just trade every day, all day. But now, with work back, oh man. We did a $500,000 renovation. We built onto my building, and we added parking lot. And if you've never built a building, it fucking sucks. I've been so stressed out. Fucking yeah. But actually, thankfully, but I just don't have time for anything. That's why I haven't been able to play poker. I feel sorry for my poor wife. I haven't been able to help her with the kids hardly. You know, I've just been trading in the morning for a couple hours, and then boom, I'm at work all day, nonstop. Anyways, y'all didn't get on here to listen to me bitch. We're here to talk about stocks.
We got 1 minute.
Oh, really? Wow, thank you for the alert. That went quick. You know what? Time flies when you're bitching. Yeah. I need to be thankful, though, because business is booming and we're fucking killing it. So I need to be thankful. Gratitude practice, right? Nobody knows who's going to win the NBA championships. Nobody wrote anything. Come on, man. Matt, I know you got an opinion. So I'm watching WKHS, GoGo, KCAC, Trill. Those are kind of my top ones I'm watching. TCON. Come on, TCON. Please squeeze.
I traded that back a couple months ago. I had that 160. You know me, I'm always early.
Hey, I am too, Henry. I'm early a lot also, but usually early on the short side. All right, there we go. Ding, ding. Rocky time. Poor Matt. Thinkorswim is slow.
I'm not having any issues.
Thinkorswim is...
I'm not having any issues yet.
Thinkorswim is in the special ed class today. Okay, Trill. Dumping. I kind of thought it was going to, but I'm not trying to be early. I'm not trying to get squeezed. It might get bought up, though, Trill. On this little yank right here. Can it get bought up? Man.
Yeah, I don't think it's...
I'm tempted to buy it right here on this little pull.
Wouldn't be too stubborn holding your short for a long time. I don't think it's...
Henry, I already covered my short a long time ago. I covered it down to the low 13s.
Oh.
Yeah, I was out. I was out before we even started the live stream. When it didn't crack 13 and continued down, when it based at 13, I got out.
Yeah, I'm selling all of mine at $15.90.
15.90. Is that where it's going? It's going higher. It's going higher. Damn it, I should have bought it on that yank. It's going to 14. I'm probably going to long it right now. It's over 14. Maybe I don't want to buy into a morning spike like this. I don't want to. I'm going to sell. I'm not buying the morning spike. All right, I sold. I bought it at 14, sold it at 14, in and out. I'm not buying the morning spike because this thing could spike and then fail and then maybe base. We'll just wait. It's better to wait 15 minutes, 20 minutes before you trade anything anyway. See, this is why I sold. Look at that failure. This is a 24-cent stock a year ago. You know? So, I'm just going to wait for it to put in a support level. Matt, tell me who's going to win the NBA championship, please. I know we're talking stocks here, but come on, man. He says, I don't know, Brian. Shut up, leave me alone. I'm focusing on my Thinkorswim lagging. Poor Matt. Go. Testing 9. Okay.
Go gadget wheels.
Is this the dip buy? No, it's not. I'm not buying the falling knife, Henry. Okay?
I missed Scone this morning, SCON. I freaking almost bought it at 34 cents. Son of a bitch. If that fucking goes today, I'm going to be pissed.
Okay, maybe I am buying the falling knife. I'd small dabble at $13.38 with Trill. Small dabble.
Look at my NWGI over 2 and looking strong, squeezing.
Ooh, NWGI is going. There you go, Bison. I don't know if you got in or not. Raptors. He says Lakers and Raptors. Yeah, right. Raptors aren't even going to get past the Celtics. The Celtics going to whoop that ass.
Geez, right away you want somebody to tell you who to bet on, then you
and then I criticize his pick. Well, I mean, when he's talking nonsense, I thought he was going to pick something like, you know, poor Bison. You know, he gives me what I want, and then I just berate him for it. Okay, bought the falling knife, but I only dabbled. It took super small size, just to stay interested. We'll see how 13 holds. It held pre-market. Is it going to hold now? God damn it, I should have shorted this fucker at 14.
You did short it at 14.
Yeah, but I mean, after the market open. Okay, one more little dabble at 13. Just one little dabble. That's it. Just a nibble. Okay, added a little bit at 13.
I'm putting my stop loss in at 12.75, so I can't lose on the trade. Because I already sold some into that 14 push.
You should be adding on this dip right here, Henry. You know that 13 is strong. That 13 support. Look at that support. I like your pick, Matt. Maybe Scout, his NWGI computer is fucked up. Trading blind. Poor Matt. He's trading blind. WKAHS squeezing off of 22 up to 23. I missed that one. I like the Lakers pick.
Look at MYT. Boom. 212 and going.
The Clippers. I thought the Clippers are supposed to win it. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see what Tim Sykes says. He says he bought
100,000 shares of a 1 cent stock.
Yep, 370. Actually, it's 378,000 shares of BTDG at 0.0165 cents. I'm not trading that or buying a stock that cheap.
Hey, are you looking at my MYT?
I'll look at it right now. Where did you find MYT? Was that on the Gapper list?
Yeah, it popped up early, but I watch this one because
MYT.
it's down so much that they just need some fluffy news to, it's a low float to make it squeeze a couple. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, bouncing off the lows. I mean, how much lower can it go?
Exactly. I keep these on. I'm always watching them, and I have alerts set because all of a sudden now this could, let's say, it gaps up today, holds, they put out some fluff, and then, it runs for a couple of days, and, next week at this time it's a $5 stock or a $6. You know what I mean?
For a couple of days.
That's why I always keep them on. That's why I always have alerts set. So I don't want to forget about stocks until all of a sudden, boom, and then they pop up in my gapper, and I'm already $1 behind, or you know what I mean? So I put alerts, so I catch the alerts.
I like the way Henry says couple days.
Couple of days. Oh, TCON popping, 390.
Go TCON. Go TCON. Go. Go. Go TCON.
Short.
Go TCON. Go. Go. TCON is green. 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 TCON is green on the day.
How high do you want it to go before you're going to start shorting it?
Like 450.
Oh. Because if you're going to say like 6 or 7 or something, then I was going to buy it.
No. All right, look at that. Look at that 13 support holding on TRIL. God, please hold. I better put in a stop loss in case it doesn't hold 13. Is it going to hold? Doesn't look like it's going to hold, huh? Why was I not shorting this again? It might hold right here. Look at that. It's putting in that sideways price action. A little bit. Maybe not. Okay, I got a stop loss in at 12.83. Go TCON. Go TCON. Go. 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 Almost to 4. I don't know. I may short TCON here a little bit. Because it's trying to go, but it sucks. It's like a weak ass spike. Oh, WKHS slapped down. 2350 said, get the hell out of here. That sucks. I was hoping we get continuation with WKHS. All right, we're up to the 13.
Too bad you didn't buy Tesla after hours yesterday down at 310, 308.
Henry, it's a long-term hold for me. I'm planning on holding this thing for like 20 years.
Oh.
Maybe not that long. But at least several years. Okay, I sold
the next year, then you might sell some.
Okay, I sold a little bit of TRIL at 1330. My goal with TRIL is 14. Which, alright, I'm lying. 1380. So I originally bought it 1338, and then I added 2 times down here at 13. My average, so I sold the shares that I originally bought at 1330. So I lost 8 cents there, which is fine because it was small size. So let's see if we can hold 13. Because this might just be a higher low, and then it just may dump through 13. So that's why I sold some of that little pop right there. Because I don't know if, look, VWAP rejected so far. But it could hold 13 and then grind back. Right, Henry?
Yeah.
Come on, TCON.
35 new high, making new highs.
Which one's making new highs?
MYT.
MYT.
They have a letter of intent to acquire 80% equity interest in Guacui Management Incorporated. That was their fluff news this morning. I'm gonna add on a dip.
I think I'm gonna reload my Interactive Brokers account so I can start shorting the OTC market. Because there's been the OTC's been kind of hot lately. There's been a lot of plays in the OTC land. Okay.
I can't wait till it's over. So.
Huh?
I can't wait till September's over.
I know, huh? September sucks.
Even the pre-market's been slow the last week.
Yeah. All right. Are we gonna get over VWAP with this TRIL? Yes or no? Tell me right now.
Tell me why.
Fuck me. Nope. I should have sold some there in the 1340s. I sold some at 1330. I'm going to sell some more. Missed it. Tried to get out at 1335 and I missed it.
I just went long AMPE at 76 cents. Looks like it's curling up.
Okay, sold some more TRIL. AMPE. Let's look at it.
Yep.
AMPE. Oh, that's that one that spiked up.
Spike gave it up, so I'm going to see if it's going to continue to rebound here. I'm not going to hang around long with it. It's a big float, so.
Ooh, look at that pop with TRIL. Look at that. All right, I'm boxed in now on TRIL. I just shorted at 1350. Just because I don't believe in it.
Brian's not a believer.
But I got my long, though, in case I'm wrong. I got my long in case I'm wrong. So that's why I'm singing this song.
Brian likes to go both ways.
Okay? Somebody pass the bong.
Sweet IBO can't coming back.
So I can hit it while I'm wearing my thong, trading some stocks. Uh-oh. Look at Trill just falling apart.
Yeah, I got my stop loss set at my entry, so like I said, I can't lose, and hopefully it doesn't hit it and just kind of. Remember this, man? Remember when we were buying this in $5 range, you know? And
why is it not? I'm trying to sell my stock. Oh, you fucking. Yes, I remember, Henry. I was in the hospital with my wife. She was giving birth.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
And I was trading stocks.
God, when you get a second, look at SCON. I don't want to buy it because it always burns me, but it's looking so promising.
Sounds like a bad relationship. Sounds like a toxic relationship, right? You just keep going back to the same old well that punishes you.
Yeah.
You know, it's like the battered wife syndrome.
I'm just afraid I'm going to miss out, you know?
Go back to what's familiar. Dude, that daily chart is...
It's got 26 million volume already and growing. And I'm going to regret it by the end of the day if it's at $1 and it's got 300 million volume. And I'm like, yeah, I seen that at pre-market at 35 cents freaking 7 hours ago.
So I'm out of my long, just so you guys know, on TRIL. Once it broke that... Yeah, once it broke this $13 support, I got out. I'm still short, though.
TCON breaking 405 and pushing.
Oh! TCON! I may dabble right here. Just a little tiny dabble. Just a nibble. I'm going to nibble on the short. See what I got it at. 397. Just a little nibble. Not much. It's still going up. I want some real extension. But this 4 may act as resistance on TCON. TCON. We'll see how the $4 reacts. TRIL. More failure. Should I cover a little bit here? Alright, I covered some of my TRIL. Might find support and come back. Might try to dip buy TRIL again. Lower it goes. Where would we dip buy it at? Maybe in the 1230s. There's some support at 1225 from pre-market this morning and after hours yesterday. Maybe risk 12. WKHS just falling apart. Sad, sad, sad. Look at my Tesla still squeezing up to 360s.
Squeezing. God, I'm liking this MYT, man. And more it's starting to hopefully put some space between VWAP.
Wow, Henry. Nice work, sir. Yeah, it does look good, doesn't it? And it's got volume today. They have news?
Yeah, they announced entering into a letter of intent to acquire 80% equity interest in Something Management Incorporated.
Guoki Management.
Yeah.
Wow, that sounds like great news. Man, how can it not go up? Jesus.
Yeah. I mean,
It has to go up with that kind of news. Okay, I'm being sarcastic out there, everybody. TWI. TWI hitting high day scanner. Breakout on the daily. Added some shares back on my short at $13.10 on TRIL. Added some more. That's the greed. Added some more shares. That's the greed. New average is $13.26 now on my TRIL short. We'll see if it continues to make lower lows and lower highs. I would say my goal with this is probably like the low 12s with this short before it finds some support and then tries to come back. But it could find it now. What's everybody trading out there? Matt says, I'm like Sandra Bullock with that blue blindfold on. What did she wear a blue blindfold on? IBIO dip buy? Really? I can't fuck with IBIO right now. It's dead to me. Okay, so is Kodak.
19 million volume,
Okay.
but they put out news plans to advance COVID-19 vaccine candidate.
Ah, they put out news. I mean, it is bouncing off the lows, so I don't blame. But yeah. Okay. Yes, KODK is dead to me. Man, KCAC falling apart. Down to 19. TCON. Oh, shit. Rejected by 4. And now it's about to go red.
Aren't you're shorting that, though, right?
Yeah.
On 390.
I kind of want a little more extension, though. I just added to my TCON short because it's testing red to green right now. Typically I would not short into weakness like this. I like to short into like a pop, but it's testing the red to green level at 375, and a lot of times whenever they bust through and they go red on the day, you'll get like a flush. You'll get like a spike in the opposite direction, a slap down. But it might hold this right here. Plus, I already have shares up here near 4, so it just brought my average down to 384. So it could bounce off this red to green, put in a higher low, like say in the 390s or something, and I could add to my short there, and then later on, it flushes down through and goes red on the day and gives it up, like the little hoe bag that it is. No offense to anybody. Sorry about my language. Look, Matt says KODK moving. Of course it's moving. Everything's moving right now. Okay? Okay, movement is life.
Oh, that's deep.
Right? When we stop moving, that means we're dead. If our cells stop moving, that means no mas. No more living mi vida loca. See, Alice? Alice is fluent.
I thought you said Cialis.
No, Alice. She's in the chat. She's fluent in Spanish. She has the most beautiful accent. Swear to God. She's the one that says, hey, Henry, she's the one. That's where I got, you know how I always say, it's amazing.
She's the one that says that?
That's where I got it, is from Alice. She used to say that. I remember when I traded with her, with Tim Sykes down in Florida, she'd be like, wow, that's amazing. And then I would look at her and I'd go, wow, you're amazing. Oh my God, KCAC just giving it up. Golly, and I'm not there. Look at that.
How'd you miss that short?
Well, I didn't know which way it was going to go, so I just stayed out. You know? Henry, I'm trying to just say no to bad setups or to unsure setups. I'm trying not to overtrade. And I'm watching KODK go up. And Matt, see, look, you don't have to listen to my ass. I'm wrong all the damn time. Look at Alice, she's laughing. She said, "Tu vida loca."
KODK is squeezing.
Matt says, "I'm just doing call outs because I'm out of trades for today." Oh, that sucks, dude. I remember being in that boat. I used to get so sad because I couldn't fucking click buttons. Is that funny, Henry?
No. I was clearing my throat.
You were laughing. Oh, shorted some more. Trill. It's that VWAP. If TRIL gets over VWAP and holds over VWAP, then I know I'm in trouble. So I'll cover. If it does that. Uh-oh, listen to this. Tim bought he bought a stock that's not like 0.02 cents. He bought 15,000 shares of ASTC.
I just seen that. I just looked at that chart.
We may have to follow one of his trades for a change. He bought it at 227. It's at 239. Jesus Christ.
He's probably sold already.
I mean, I kind of like how it broke the high of day. Yeah, he bought it when it broke the high of day. You can buy it right now at 230. I gotta look at the daily. Ooh. Henry, look at that daily. That's right up your alley. I'm tempted to follow his trade. Henry.
Because he always sells too early.
You can buy it right here at 233. I'm tempted to buy it. Fuck it. I'm buying. All right, I bought some.
235.
We're following Tim Sykes. This is going to be fun. Look at that thing spike. Okay. Don't ever follow alerts, ladies and gentlemen. And then that's what we're doing. I typically never ever follow Tim's alerts, but I kind of like this one.
And he usually sells too early because he buys so many shares.
All right, I sold at 236, but only I sold at 236 because I feel like it's going to pull back some more, and I feel like I can get a better price, like at like 225 or 230. TCON going red. TRIL being a biznatch and consolidating at 13. So I think we're going to get more pullback on ASTC, and I'm going to buy some. I'll try to buy some. I got an order at 231. I'm going to scale in probably to the 220s. So I'm going to add shares down to 220. So I got some more right there at 231 on ASTC. TRIL down at 13. To add more shares, just to not add more shares.
Things that make you go.
On ASTC. Genus is popping. All right, we're down 231 still. Maybe I should add some more here, 231. I added some more at 231. Oh, Sykes sold at 234, that fucker. No big breakout, so I play this one extra safe. I chased it a bit after the big spike already from 2. Be safe. Potential rebuy if it can break day's high. Oh, well, that was uneventful. I remember when I first started trading, I used to try to follow his trades when I very first started trading, and I quickly... I used to get so mad because he would sell so fast, and it used to piss me off. I'm like, how come you don't ever hold anything for more than like 2 minutes? It used to make me mad.
Because he buys 15,000 shares, and he only needs it to go 5 cents, and he makes $800. That's why.
Tell me why.
Plays off his followers. He says he doesn't, but I call BS on it because.
Okay, I bought some more at 227. Really, I'm not really buying this because Tim bought it. I'm buying it because I like the setup. You know? It's bouncing off its lows. First detects Tracer 1000, achieves milestone in TSA, Air Cargo Screening Qualification Test. That was their news this morning. But I like this pullback to the day high. Right? See if it's going to hold here. Hold the 220s. Then hopefully we can get a squeeze up to 250, maybe even 3. Who knows? The SPY is green. That's good. Oh, VVPR. Giving it up down to the 7s. All right, VVPR just got crushed down to the 7s. I'm going to buy. It's down to 8, actually. I'm going to buy VVPR. VVPR. I'm going to buy into this dip.
It's quite a job. I'm going to hope. I'm watching it, but I think it might go lower.
Probably does. I'm gonna add as it goes down to 7. I just bought some. I got 1,000 shares at $7.74 on VVPR. Fuck yes. Okay, bought right there.
I'm gonna see if I can get it at 750, but probably gonna miss it.
And ASTC holding that high daybreak. Popping up to the 230s.
I think I missed it. I think it's going to go without me.
Come on.
$8.30. You selling any in this pop?
Oh, gosh, I should, huh? I totally was focusing on ASTC. I should sell some, huh? I'm up $500 on it right now.
Yeah, I can't.
All right, I sold some ASTC at 228. All right, so yes, I should thank you, Henry, for reminding me to sell. I didn't realize it bounced so fast.
Yeah, man, I missed it.
Okay, sold some at 830. Woo woo! Look at that. I'm gonna add back on the when it pulls back. I'm gonna add some shares back. Okay, and TRIL is holding 13, ladies and gentlemen. So that's bullish. Covering that. Probably should go long on it. It's holding 13 pretty nice. Look at that support it's putting in, Henry. In fact, I kind of want to go long, actually. And ASTC pulling back more. Glad I sold some to that pop. But I'll let ASTC work. We'll let it work. I mean,
work.
It is on its lows, and it has volume today. So, in fact, I think I'm kind of tempted to add down here in the 220s.
I can buy in at 210.
I tried to add at 221. I missed it, or it didn't get executed. All right, added 1,500 shares at 222 on ASTC. Now we're getting a pullback on VVPR. Dude, TRIL, I think TRIL is a buy now. It looks like it's holding support, huh? Don't you think, Henry? TRIL? Look at it. It's kind of going sideways. Put in a higher low. Right?
If you bought here at 13.05 or whatever, you just,
Risk.
I'd risk 271.
Yep. Yeah, you're right. Okay. I'm back in TRIL long. Covered my short. Maybe I can get a better price, though, with TRIL. Okay, I sold half my shares on TRIL because I think it might. There it goes. Come on, TRIL, don't give it up. Okay, I got a stop loss in on TRIL at 1269. Looks like it's about to give it up. Damn it. What to do with TRIL? INO is spiking. Really? INO. Wow, it is. Bouncing off the lows. It's on a pullback right now. From 10 all the way up to 1187. Pull back to 11. You could buy it on this pullback. I'm not going to, though. And ASTC. Look at that. ASTC spiking. I'm going to sell a little bit. All right. Sold some ASTC. Hold the rest of my shares, see if it can go. Wonder if I should add to my VVPR right here. Down by 8. Did you ever get in, Henry?
No.
Should I add? No, wait. TRIL's about to give it up. I'm not risking 1269 because I feel like TRIL is about to give it up. I'll risk 1279. TRIL's about to go down. Gonna let the ASTC work. Oh, nice little pop on VVPR. VVPR, I think, might be my big winner for the day. Damn, I wish I would have took more than 1,000 shares. Fuck. It'd been nice to take 2,000 shares, 3,000 shares right there. And then dump to 750. But I don't know. There's so many times this thing could have just kept going down to 7. So I was planning on adding down to 7. But VVPR has a... Like, every time it spikes, it rolls over and then gives it up, and then every time it fails and it gives it up, it spikes. It bounces nicely. Look at that, ASTC. Thank you, Tim Sykes.
New high day, boom.
ASTC. Look at that, boys and girls. Look at that. Bought the dip. And there goes TRIL. Look at that. All right, I'm going to sell some into this towards 250. Sold some. Yes. Money, money, money. Damn, that little 3-month siesta that we took, that we had during COVID.
Yeah.
Oh, I loved it, man. Life was so simple. All I did every day was just wake up, trade stocks, and just kick it and hang out with my kids. Life was simple. It was so simple. It was so low stress. I was in bed early every night. Now, with work back and everything, I mean, we're making a shit ton of money at work, but damn.
Mom.
It'll slow down for me once I get done with this renovation. Finishing this fucking building and... Oh, look at that, TRIL. It barely takes me out of my stop loss and then just starts bouncing. I ain't fucking with it, though. I'm not trading it.
No, it's looking like it's going down right now. I mean...
Down, down, baby. Low skin, a baby. Sold some more VVPR at 845. Look at that. ASTC. Nice call, Sykes. I'm going to send him
how many VVPR you got left? Don't sell anymore. Just move your stop loss up.
Oh, I'm not going to sell anymore. If it gets up near the red to green, I'm going to sell more. Nice call, homie.
What's that? What's the red to green price?
Like close to 10.
Oh yeah. That's what I'm saying. I mean, it's going to push through VWAP here, and I mean, I'd be moving. I would put my stop loss in at like 830 right now. Was it going from 790 something?
I just sent Sykes a message. I said, "Nice call, homie. I don't make it a habit of following your alerts, but I did on this one because I like the setup." Okay, where are you asking me, Henry?
BDPR. I said I would move my stop loss to like 830 and let it work. Because you went from like 790 or something, right?
774.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, the red to green on VVPR is 970. So if it gets anywhere close to if it gets over like 950, gets anywhere close to 950, I'll sell the rest of it. If it starts dipping, here, let's pull up the chart real quick. VVPR. It's probably going to have a dip back down to 8, maybe even the 770s. I'm going to add. That's why I sold a little bit more just now, because I feel like it's going to roll over and it's going to dip some more. Or it's going to roll over here. Probably get rejected by VWAP. And then go a little lower. Could be wrong. Maybe it gets through VWAP and...
It's looking pretty strong. It's going to pop through VWAP and just grind. Let's see.
I added some shares back on ASTC on this little pullback. ASTC. So yeah, pull back right here. So I sold into this spike towards high day at 245, and then I added back some shares at 236, 237. So I'm thinking we should get a squeeze and a push. There it goes. Up to the 240s. Making some money, man. TCON about to go red on the day. Testing 370. There goes ASTC. It's about to get over 250 now. Squeeze, baby, squeeze.
Squish, squish.
ASTC. The float is 5 million. Oh yeah, I checked that earlier. 5 million. Hopefully it gets over 250. It's getting rejected by 250 now. When is TRIL going to be a dip buy? Huh? Henry, is this a dip buy, or is TRIL right now, is it a dip buy, or is it a falling knife? I'm going to get slashed up. Tell me.
think it's still falling.
Falling? It looks like it's kind of... You don't think it's finding support here at 270?
I need a couple more minutes sideways.
I don't.
The volume died down.
Look at that. We're over 250 on ASTC. Maybe not. Every time it tries to get over 250, it just gets rejected. Makes me...
Patience, my dear Watson.
There we go. There we go. Go, bitch.
Patience, patience, patience.
I'm running out of patience. Every time it gets slapped down at 250, it makes me more... I want to sell more and more.
Just put your stop loss in at like 235.
Well, it's gonna hit that for... It's gonna hit that for sure. So if it's gonna hit 235, I might as well just sell it in the push towards 250.
Yep.
All right, you know what? I'll stick it in at 230. That's just below VWAP. Hopefully it can keep a little VWAP separation. It's going to get over 250. It has to. Tim Sykes bought it. So everyone's got to get excited and buy it now. Right? Right, everybody? Man, I was ready for that VVPR dip buy. I've been thinking about VVPR for like 2 days now. Or 2 trading days. Not all weekend, but about how if this thing goes into the 7s, how I'm going to dip buy the shit out of it. But I really didn't dip buy the shit out of it because I only got 1,000 shares. But at least I got some.
Right.
You get what you get, and you don't complain. That's what my wife tells my 2.5-year-old. Like, say she gets one M&M for taking a shit in the toilet. You know what I mean? And she'd be like, I want another one. She'll say, you get what you get, and you don't complain.
And then, does she not complain then anymore?
No, she'll shut up when she tells her that. She's a good kid. She's kind of a bully though. With like the little neighbor kid, she'll like, or with their cousins, she'll, you know what I mean? She'll slap the shit out of her cousin, take their shit. You know what I mean? Like they'll be playing with a toy and she'll go over there and just snatch it. Like that's not even yours. You're at their house and you're just taking their shit. Like where'd you?
She gets that.
I was like, where did she? I'm like, I don't know where the hell she learned that at, but okay, Trill. Look at it, 1280.
Yeah, now it's looking a little more promising.
I wanted it down in the 1270s, Henry.
Well, then wait till it pulls back here.
You didn't let me buy it.
Put a wish order in it, 1265.
Okay. Let's see what happens. Look at that every time. Look at these candles every time. Just sell, sell, sell. Right at 12,250.
Got a lot of bag holders.
Fuck yeah, you do. I'm about to get rid of this right now.
It's not moving like extreme. So, like I said, I mean,
I guess, you know what? As long as it holds up near its highs, I'll stay in it. But if it starts going under 240, come on. Let's go.
let's go all the way away. Let's go all the way.
God. Damn it. Damn it, Henry.
It took me out. I had my stop loss at 240.
All right, I'm out now, too. Fuck. See, I could have got an extra 10 cents out of it. That's okay, though. Still made money on it. Okay, you get what you get, and you don't complain.
Yeah.
I mean, really, this just could be a pullback to VWAP, and then it grinds all day, and then it breaks out later this afternoon. So we'll just keep it on watch. It may not be done yet. And TRIL, I knew TRIL was a buy down at like 270. 1260. 1270. Maybe not, though. This may just follow the trend of downward spiral. Okay, back down to 24 cents.
Downward dog.
So, you know, Labor Day, it was just this past Monday, right?
Yeah.
And so basically Labor Day is like the end of the summer. That's like, you know, it's the last, it's the last, technically Labor Day weekend is, you know, the end of the summer.
Yeah, you said that. Yep.
Yep. And it's weird how after Monday, yesterday, it was like automatically cold here in Iowa.
Yeah, it's crazy.
ASTC down to the 230s now. I want to buy it down here now.
I'm making a beef roast for supper today.
Sounds good. For those of you who don't know, Henry's a good cook. Henry can cook shit pretty well.
It's gonna be amazing.
Amazing.
Good.
Right, Alice? I bet Alice can cook some shit up. What do you like to cook, Alice? Do you make the tortillas? ¿Hace las tortillas? ¿Sí or no?
But I think I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna go get ready. I'm gonna go into work for some overtime. So
Henry, why are you always going to work for overtime, man? What about us? Okay, hey, look, the pullback right here on TRIL. Check it out.
because you know I got a 3-year goal and a 5-year goal.
Okay, I bought the yank on TRIL at 12.75. Okay, bought this little yank right here. We'll see if it can hold the 1260s.
Why would you want to go make X amount of dollars at a job that's easy and not stressful? And
Are you enjoying like your coworkers? Like you guys like, you know, you enjoying like the conversation and like the you know, the office banter?
yeah, it's awesome. Way better than corporate.
So you're like, so basically, that's kind of why you don't mind going to work for overtime, is because you actually kind of enjoy the social aspect of it.
Yeah. We fuck around and give each other shit. And
So basically, that work is.
it's 5 guys, so it's like 5 dudes hanging out. I mean, it's like it's amazing.
Oh, look, Alice wrote. Can you pronounce that? Pronounce that, Henry.
Chilaquias.
Chiaquias. Do you know what that is, Matt Alvarado? Matt Alvarado's Mexican. But
Do you know what it is?
But Matt Alvarado lives in New Mexico, so he's just like he's just pooping green chili and red chili all day, every day. Because they eat
Do you
that.
know what chilaquias is?
No.
You're
Trill.
the worst ever.
I know, huh? Pretty bad at it, actually.
Trill going down?
Yeah, it's testing the 12. I got a stop loss at 12.59. It's about to.
Man, you can keep your $14 short.
I know. I've got nice gains on the day. I need to stop taking the paper cuts on this piece of crap. Yeah, I should have held my short. Thanks, Henry, for reminding me about that. Okay, appreciate it. Hey, look, it's holding, though. Look at it, Henry. It held. It didn't hit my stop loss yet. See, Alice lives in Mexico, so she's eating like real Mexican food.
So then she replied. She spelled it different this time, so I don't know how the spelling is. Fried tortilla with sauce, sour cream, cheese, and what's a frijolo?
Frijoles is beans.
Oh.
Dude, that sounds good.
Chilaquiles.
Here it says chilaquiles from the Nahuatl world is a traditional Mexican dish consisting of corn tortillas cut in quarters and lightly fried. Main ingredients: tortillas, green or red salsa, pulled chicken, cheese, refried beans, and scrambled eggs. That sounds fantastic. I want some of that.
Alice, where are you from again?
She's from Mexico. I think she's from Chihuahua, right? ¿A dónde eres? Chihuahua? If I remember correctly, Chihuahua. Look at that. Trill holding support. Holding the 1260s. You were right, Henry. If I would have put that wish order in at 1265, I would have got it. But instead, I got a shittier entry at 1274. Oh, we're red on the day on TCON. Did anybody grab some TCON short with me? Not that you should follow my alert, but I'm just wondering. Yep, Alice is from Chihuahua. Okay, she's from the little Mexican dog town.
So if I ever want to go to vacation in Mexico, I'll come and visit Alice.
Her boyfriend probably wouldn't like it if your gringo ass showed up at the doorstep. Hey, can I get some chilaquiles?
Yeah.
Hello? Let me in. Look at that. ASTC down to 230. Glad I sold. And TCON is bleeding. Probably should just cover some here, huh? cover some. Okay, covered some TCON. Okay, I'm not messing with ASTC.
Things that make you go,
TRIL holding.
Oh, we forgot about that NLS. That would have been a good dip buy. Could have got it down at 14. It's back to 1460 and climbing.
Look at that. TRIL holding, man. You're still in it, right, Henry?
No, it took me out.
Oh, no.
1260. That's right. I could have made some on that push to 14. I sold at 14, so.
Yeah, you did. VVPR rejected by VWAP. Down to 820 now. TRIL trying to come back a little bit. See if it can get back over 13.
Alright. But yeah.
You gonna go hang out with the boys, Henry?
I'm gonna go hang out with the boys for a few hours or so.
Do you guys go out for beers afterwards? Ever?
Not yet. We had a couple beers after the hours the other day. Was it Friday night? Yeah, last Friday. Because we had a great day on Friday. I wrote a $7,000 policy, so.
Oh, shit. So what's the commission on that?
I don't get commission, I get bonus.
Oh. Okay, I get it. Sweet. TCON.
A written premium every month, and then I get bonus. I gotta hit $30,000 in written premium a month, so I'm already a third of the way there.
Wow. And you're only 8 days into the month.
Yeah.
I didn't know you're such a good salesman, Henry. Did you read a book or something?
No, I did not read a book.
Henry's like, I don't read books. Oh, hey, okay, speaking of reading books, you were asking me about good books to suggest to your friends. The Daily Trading Coach. That's a great one.
Sweet.
Okay.
Let me get a pen. Hold on. Stop.
Okay, your friend, you have to ask him what kind of, because the books that I have, it depends on what kind of trader you want to be. Does he want to be a value investor? Does he want to be like a swing trader? Or does he want to be like a day trader?
All three.
Huh? Or he probably doesn't know if he's brand new. So if he doesn't know, then he should just read everything. Absorb all the information. Test.
What was it called? The Daily Trader?
The Daily Trading Coach.
Okay.
Here, let me get the author. I'll tell you the author so he doesn't fuck it up. Let's see here.
It's right in front of the book usually is the author.
Okay, sorry. I was sending a text to one of my employees. Where was I at? Oh, yeah. Let me find the author. This is actually, The Daily Trading Coach is one of the first books that I read when I first started trading. And it's a pretty good book. It is... Damn, man. I've read a lot of books. Brett N. Steenbarger. That's Brett and then Steenbarger. Steenbarger.
Okay.
That's a good one. How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill. That's a really good one. I like that one a lot.
What was the author?
William J. O'Neill.
Okay.
That's a good one.
Give me one more. 3's enough.
Trading in the Zone is not bad. It's worth reading. It's not bad.
Trading in the Zone.
Trading in the Zone, yeah. And what is considered to be the Bible of value investing is and I haven't even got through it all. Is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Now, that one right there, if you want a fucking book that's a pain in the ass to read and kind of difficult to understand, I mean, that one's tough. And it's huge, too. It's really thick. It's fucking enormous. Yeah, that one's a pain in the ass to read. But it does have some good information. You know what? The Intelligent Investor, tell you the truth, I wouldn't read that one until you've read other simpler, easier books, until you have a base knowledge. Because if you were to read that one and you didn't know anything about the markets whatsoever, it'd be like reading kind of like
Spanish for me.
Kind of like a different language. You'd be like, what the hell? What is he talking? You know what I mean? You'd be looking up terms, and it's kind of a pain in the ass to read. But yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see if there's anything else.
Nope, that's good. That's enough. I'm gonna get going.
God, Henry, hurt my feelings. All right, get out of here then. We don't want you anyways.
Whatevs. All right, bye.
Bye, Felicia. Are you gonna listen to us on the way to work?
Maybe. I'm gonna go shower in that right now. So.
Okay, I need to know if you're gonna listen or not, because that's gonna let me know if I need to talk shit about you or not.
I'm not gonna listen. So you
say whatever I want.
Say whatever you want.
Oh, great! I'm gonna unload now.
All right, later.
All right, peace, Henry. Later. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't want Henry to hang up the phone. I wanted him to stay there. We used to talk every single day. We talked every day. When he very first started trading, when I very first met him, he didn't know shit about the market. And he was trying to trade weed stocks. And I was like, and he was kind of, because we met through a mutual friend, and I was like looking at the stuff that he was trading and how he's trading it, and I was like, damn, this dude's clueless. And then we started talking every single day, and now Henry, he's like a little bird that, spread his wings, and now he's flying. And now he got the new job, and now he doesn't need me anymore. So every morning, well, actually in the mornings now, I usually listen to Barry he has in his chat room. He goes live at 8:05 Central Time. All right, Trill. If you can hold the 1270s, I'm out. I'm not losing on you, buddy. Move my stop loss up we'll move it up to 1269. So good for Henry. We still text though. But we don't talk in the mornings anymore because he has to go to work earlier. And he's always trading pre-market, so he's out of the markets pretty quick. I think he's gone. I think he's done by like 8 o'clock or something like that. He loves trading the pre-market. Not me. Basically, what Henry likes to do is as soon as at 6 a.m., he's already looking at the gappers. And he already knows what's gapping, what's moving. He's up at like 5:30. He's already looking at the gappers, looking at what's moving. And then right at the market, pre-market open at 6, when they start popping, he just buys them immediately. And then some of them go, when we were in a hotter market a couple months ago or a month ago, when we were having 100%, 200% gainers, he'd buy these things when they're like 40, 50% up right at the open, and then they'd go to 150, 200%. So it worked out real nice for him. But lately, that's why he was bitching about September, because lately it's like the gappers are only like, 30, 40. There's not as much range now as there was, a month ago. Because historically, August, September are your slowest months of the year. A lot of traders take these months off. I know Tim Grattani took the entire month of September off. TCON is testing 350 now. It might go through 350. There it goes, 345. TCON. This short's working out pretty nice. I'm glad I added. Added to the winner. Come on. Uh-oh. Oh, there's another scratch taking me out by TRIL. Okay, TRIL's dead to me now. I'm done with you. I think that I'm going to cover my TCON right here in the 350s. Or should I just hold it? It's probably going to bounce. But I got to meet up with one of my employees here in a little bit. We got a bunch of work to do. So I don't want to be watching TCON. Actually, VVPR, I should be selling that. Alright, I'm all out of VVPR. And do I want to get out of TCON? Yeah. Took my profits. I'm out of everything now. Completely done. Receiving enough video, maintain smooth such as what? Is everything okay with my stream? I just got an error from YouTube. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain a smooth streaming. As such, can everybody like see my screen and hear me and stuff? Anybody? You guys out there? YouTube sent me a message saying that now it's saying excellent connection. I just want to know that you guys can hear me and see my screen. See or no? Yes, good. Thank you, Brian. So I'm out of everything right now. ASTC, if I look at ASTC right now, ASTC looks like a buy right now, doesn't it? Off this support zone of 220. Looks like you could long it right there at 226. And then hopefully it comes back later today. Risk 220. I am going to do that. Okay, I'm going to put the stop loss in at 219. And then I'm going to walk away and we'll see where it's back later today. How many shares do I want to take? We'll take 2,000 shares. Buy some more. Okay. I'm going to risk 219. Okay, I got my stop loss in. Now with TCON, I'm actually going to put a wish order in on TCON for a short. So if we look at TCON right now, the red to green on TCON is 375. So I'm going to put in an order to short at 373. So if it bounces up to red to green, then I'll get executed on a short order. And that's gonna, and then it might go over the red to green, maybe up to, it might not go to 390. I don't know. I don't think so. We'll see. It might not even get up to 370s. Who knows? But we'll put it in a short order, so maybe get executed later on. Because I want to walk away from my computer. Alice said C. So, okay, so right now I'm long ASTC from 226, risking 219 or 220. I put in the stop loss at 219. And I got a wish order at 373 to short TCON. Today's the first red day. VVPR. That one's going to be on watch too. So it's dumping right now. Hopefully, I would love to see more downside on VVPR down to maybe down to 7. I'm going to dabble a little bit right here, 500 shares on it. And if it goes down more, I'm going to add. Oh, I didn't get executed. I tried to get it at $8, but I didn't get it. Because look at the daily on VVPR. Look at the daily. It's down almost 50% off its highs. Damn, I missed it. I probably shouldn't have sold my shares. Should have kept them. I got an order at 804. It doesn't look like I'm going to get it. Fuck me. All right, I'll take it at 816. If it goes down further, I'm going to add. I'm going to put an order to add at 757. So I got order to add. I think ASTC might come back and break out later today. Potential power hour squeeze. Okay, this is the penny stocking. If you look at my screen, VVPR, the penny stocking framework that I learned from Tim Sykes. My favorite part of it, it's got like 7 different key points where you buy and this is the number 5 dip buy. So the number 4 is the short. You're supposed to short up here at the top, but there was no shares to short. And then you get a low volume sell off for 2 to 3 days, and that's exactly what we've gotten, right? And then the number 5 is you buy it down here. I only like to do this setup on the initial run up, the initial big parabolic move, and then it's that first pullback, that first sell off where I like to buy. The number 5 dip buy. The only, in the last probably this setup, I've traded it. I mean, I probably traded it, I don't know how many times this year, but a lot. I've only had one stock where it didn't work. I mean, and not all bounces are created equal. Some of them, the bounce is minimal. Some of them, the bounce was like U1, UONE, that they come back and they break out past the highs. They're not all created equal, but the this setup is great actually. It's so the only one that it didn't work on is redo. Is it redo or redo? REDU. Yes. So it worked a little bit, but not very well. So look, had a big 3-day run. See, and then I tried dip buying it on this like the 3rd day, somewhere in there. So it did have a bounce. Look at the bounce right there. Went from like the 5s to the 7s. I just mistimed it a little bit. So I was buying it like on the 3rd red day, and it really wasn't bouncing the way I wanted. So I basically broke even on the trade. I maybe made a little bit on it, but it really wasn't going the way I thought it was supposed to go. So I just got out. But yeah, even if I mean, look at this, from the low here, from the 560s up to the 7s. So that's $1.50. You know, if you timed it right, but I didn't time it very well. Fucking Trill. Trill's holding. I'm not trading it again. I'm not doing it. Hopefully it squeezes so we can short the piss out of it later. Oh no, ASTC is about to take me out. Don't break my heart. AST is about to go bye-bye. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey. You suck. Maybe not. See if it holds 220. I got the stop loss at 219. No, I didn't sell my ASTC. I bought some more VVPR. All right. I don't know if it looks like ASTC is going to take me out. If it takes me out, oh well. I'll lose a little bit, but still nice and green on the day. Henry, if you're out there, I'm sad you went to work for overtime. I'm still here. I just got quiet for a minute. I was thinking. Okay, I'm done for now. I gotta go take care of some business. I gotta go to work. So I'm leaving work and I'm gonna go to more work. Right? We gotta make the monies. I got mouths to feed. Matt Alvarado, 10 burpees, please. 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 I want to see them. Okay? I'll be back Friday, guys. Every Wednesday and Friday. I try to be consistent. Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday and Friday. I did miss there for a little bit when we had that storm and lost our power and all hell broke loose here in Cedar Rapids. We had a hurricane hit the Midwest. But I try to be consistent about every Wednesday at 9:10 Eastern Standard Time and Friday 9:10 Eastern Standard Time. I would love to go Mondays again, but work is it's consuming my life too much. It sucks. One day I'm going to be able to trade full time. Just got to keep growing that account. I'd love to be able to just sell my business, get rid of that stress, and just trade. That's the goal. Oh, there it goes. ASTC. See you later. See you later, brah. Smash the like button, Leroy says. Thanks, Leroy. Look at Leroy. He's so giving. Buy-in, thank you. Thank you guys, all y'all, for showing up. I love it when you guys show up and throw comments. Make jokes, talk about chiquilas. Okay? Go Lakers. Go Raptors. Go Raptors, Bison. You must be from Canada. Thanks, fellas. We'll see you guys Friday. Peace out.